Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to add a popover button on your website using our htmega plugin. Now if you don't know what a popover is like a pop-up box that appears along with some contents when someone clicks on an element. Usually a popover is used to provide additional information about an element. Let me show you how you can add a popover button on your website. From the Elementor Widget panel, search for the Popover Widget. Drag the widget to a section. In this panel, you can select a type for the popover button. Now insert a button text from here. Enable this option if you want to add a link to the button. From the Popover Options panel, you can add a header text and content for the popover. Here we can select the direction of the popover. If you want to display the popover by default, enable this option. This widget will also allow you to set the spacing between the button and the popover. From the Style tab, you can control the necessary styles for every element of this widget. So this way you can add a popover button on your website. If you have any ideas to improve this widget, please leave us a comment below. So that's it for today. See you next time.